How to upload high-quality video and photos to WhatsApp status without loss of quality. To do this, all what you have to do is open Play Store on your phone. Upload high-quality status. Tap to open. Now tap to on install option. This will start to download and install, so be patient. OK. Now tap on Open option. This is the app. Let me show to you how it works. Tap on this icon. When it's done, here choose which option you want to upload without losing quality. Let me select Photo option. Tap on Allow. Now select the photo that you want. Tap on Start option. This application will start processing your photo or video for HD quality. OK. Remember, when you upload your photo, you will see watermark in it. Tap on it. Here select the version WhatsApp you want to share your status. And that's it. That's how you can upload high-quality video and photos to WhatsApp status without loss of quality. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel for more tech videos. Have a nice time.